Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. If you are looking for a quick means to get rich overnight, this video is not for you. But if otherwise, you can be whatever you wish to be if you watch this video till the end as you listen attentively. Now, let me ask you this question. Have you ever been taking your head Ori serious? In this video, I will be sharing with you how to pray for wealth in Ifa religion and every other thing you desire, and the connection of your Ori in your prayers. First of all, you need to understand what Ori means and understand the powerful impact of your Ori in your prayers. You may have been going astray all this while simply because you have disregarded how far your Ori can take you, such as financial breakthrough. So what is Ori? Ori literally means head. In Ifa religion, which you can equally call Yoruba religion, Ori is an integral part of your destiny. It is your spiritual intuition. This is why Ifa says, Ori làbá ká fi òrìṣà sílẹ̀. Nígbà tí orí ń gbé ni, níbo lòrìṣà wà? What this is saying is that it is better you worship your Ori than idols. You should beg your Ori to lead you to success and provide whatever you desire. Your Ori is your Orisha, and it is worthy of worshiping instead of worshiping idols. You may be wondering how and why you should worship your Ori. Literally, worshiping your Ori means you should honor and listen to it. It is your destiny. It leads you to wherever you want to be in life. I understand how almost everyone wants financial success, and your own cannot be an exception. And that is why you should ask your Ori if what you are currently doing, e.g., your business, can lead you to your financial breakthrough. In this video, you should focus your attention on the explanations that are going to be given on Ori. This is because it is what your breakthrough depends on. So, Ori is an intermediary between every human and the Creator. Your Ori is your personal divinity. It controls your conformity with the wishes of the divinities that exist for everyone. Whatever has not been dealt with by your Ori cannot be done by the divinities. Ori is the important part of everyone's personality. Ori is the first energy which needs to be worshipped. It is the one who creates the condition for all other divinities in your life. So, how do you worship your Ori? How you can worship your Ori for you to be successful in life can be categorized into 3. 1. When you always say this statement that I'm about to tell you, you will realize how successful you will be in your life. Say, my Ori, you are my partner. I embrace you and I honor you. Please lead me to my success. This is the simplest way of worshiping your Ori. The second way of worshiping Ori is to know your direction and the important targets in your life in order to have more peaceful life. A Yoruba prayer says, Kí orí inú mi má bà tòde mi jẹ́. This can be translated as, may my inner destiny not destroy my destiny. The third way of worshiping Ori is a way of involving spirituality, which is called Ibori. Ibori is a spiritual rite done to worship your Ori. It involves certain procedures and it is performed by qualified Babalawos. Ibori is a ritual through which you feed your personal God, that is your Eleda, which is your Ori, and to honor it to be good to you and lead you to your success. So, what an Ifa priest can do for you is to help you consult your Ori to know what it wants for you. It is believed by the Yoruba religion that human beings are able to heal themselves both spiritually and physically by working with the Ori to achieve a balanced character or ìwà pẹ̀lẹ́. When one has a balanced character, one obtains an alignment with one's Ori. When things are not going right as you want them to be, then you should consult your Ori. And to make things right, Ori should be appeased. This is because whatever one becomes or whatever happens in one's life is destined by Ori. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.